serve the zoo and come back in shame. Serve the zoo, come back in shame. Serve the Fulanis and you come back to shame. How many of you guys remember these very statements credited to our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the prophet of our time? Of course, all he says has come to pass. Go and serve the zoo, go and serve the Fulani, you must come back in shame. And it is happening in our time. Where is Rochas Okorawusa? Those who serve the zoo, they are crying today. Baby girl, allow me to talk. Where is Rochas Okorawusa? My governor, my governor. My people, my people. Those that serve the zoo, they are in pain. And they are in pain. That's a fact. It didn't end there. Where is Willy Willy? Remember Willy Willy? The imbecile former governor of Anambra State. You remember him? He said that if Fulani kill Igbo man, that the Fulani will pay 500,000 naira. Meaning that the life of an Igbo man is equal to 500,000 naira. Where is he? Serve the Fulani, come back in shame. Their numbers. Where is the former President General for Mazi Nnamdi? Where is that his name? The one that said that his father was a saboteur. Wodo. The one that said before you kill a Fulani man in Igbo land, you must kill him. Where is it today? Serve the Fulani, come back in shame. That's the words of our leader. Numbers are growing. Okay? Never mind. Hope Uzodimma, you will see his end. Where is Devil Omai of Ebony State? The one that gave some portions of Ebony ancestral lands to the Fulani and allowed the Fulani terrorist herdsmen to kill thousands of Ebony indigenes. Where is he today? Or didn't you know that he was promised the presidency in the presence of Atezenobo? That man was promised the presidency, but today, where is he? We all saw how he was disgraced from APC primaries. The worst among them is coming. And you know who he is? Governor Wike of Rivers State, that kills thousands of Igbos in Obibo, believing that he's going to emerge the president of Nigeria in 2023. Today, you saw what PDP did to him. This is a man that used all the resources of Rivers State to finance PDP. Do you know what it takes to finance or sponsor a party? A political party? PDP was the largest or biggest political party in the whole of Africa, and the man single-handedly keep on sponsoring PDP. This is the money, the resources that should have been used to develop Rivers State. He gave it out to the Fulanis. Remember when he gave 500 million to Sokoto? He was dishing out money, believing that 2023 he will be the president of the zoo. Today, he's crying everywhere. He's crying, shouting. The man is finished. He's not going to be governor next year. He's not going to be a senator next year. He will just return as ordinary citizen. Serve the Fulani, come back in shame. This is the words of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and this war starts. It stands till tomorrow. All of them, count them from A to Z, all of them. None of them is living a normal life. All those that sold their brothers for a pot of porridge, all of them, name them one after the other. Is it Orji Kanu? Is it Orji Kanu? You remember how he ended? They threw him into the prison. bring him out again. They are going to throw him back again. Watch it. Serve the Fulani, come back in shame. Count all those Igbos that serve the Fulani, that worship them, those bootlickers. The list is so long. If you remember Peter Odele, if you know how much that man gave to the Caliphate, if you see any Biafran political leader, you never respect them anymore. Forget about the old one. What of Rotimi Amechi that was building railway lines in Niger? Railway in Niger, nothing for southeast and nothing for south. Rotimi Amechi, where is he today? He didn't end only in Biafra land, though. Even the Yorubas watch Tinubu. Watch Baba, watch his end. President 2023 is a joker. Watch the people like this now. Watch them. You will see that these people are politically savvy. You will see. You will be surprised. The metamorphosis of Atiku Abubakar. Watch it. You will see wonders. Northern voters, forget it. You will see. You see that Nigeria is not for you. It is not for you. It's not going to be for you. I'm telling you. We disciples of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have read the Nigerian history and we bank it in our brain. I can tell you what is going to happen in the zoo in the next 20 years. It's not our country. Nigeria is Fulanized and Islamized. That is the target. Watch it. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Don't say it will not happen. Don't say it can never happen. It can never happen. Ask Egypt. Egypt was a Christian country. Today, how far? Turkey was a Christian country. Today, how far? So don't say it will happen. Don't say that. Never say that. They are coming. They are prepared. They are getting ready. You're just praying. Prayer warrior. You're just praying. They have AK-47 around and bullets around their waist. You have nothing. Don't forget, the zoo military is behind them. Zoo police behind them. You, empty-handed, have nothing to protect yourself or your family. You are shouting one Nigeria. If Nigeria did not kill you, then you will live a long life. The only thing that kills young people in Nigeria is Nigeria itself. Nigeria is more cancerous than cancer. It kills more deadlier than Ebola, more disastrous than COVID-19. The worst thing that can happen to any human being is to be a Nigerian. That's my case.